Hey YouTubers, I'm super excited about doing this video because it is about one of my favorite things in the world, and it is brushes. I'm so sorry this is going to be rushed, but I'm kind of in like a semi-rush stand and did want to get this video out there because I haven't done one in a long time. But it is about one of my favorite things, which are brushes. These brushes are from Royal Care, and I'm going to do one from Sedona Lace. But let's start from this brush, which is the flat top angled kabuki. It is great. It is not as dense as Sigma. These are great dupes for Sigma if you don't want to get Sigma product. Be your domed angled, like rounded kabuki, and yet again this is great for bronzer and blush, and I love how this blends out. Yet again, not as dense but still super soft, wears really well. I've used these for about a week and I still love them. And another brush that we had is the flat top kabuki. It is very similar to the Sigma F80, and it still gets in there and just puts on your foundation beautifully, almost like an airbrush finish. Our other brush is going to be the domed or rounded top kabuki, which everyone uses for like things like highlight, blending all over your face. This is just a great brush. Let me just tell you, I got this whole set of 5 kabuki brushes, synthetic fibers, for $25, I think. I will link all that below. It may be a little bit more with shipping and handling, but really 5 brushes, great quality, good Sigma dupes for not even half the price. Like, oh my gosh. And last but not least, my favorite brush of all has to be the Sedona Lace Midnight Lace Collection Flat Top Kabuki. Oh my gosh, super dense, great surface area and width and everything like that. Cleans very well. I never have problem with drying with this brush, and literally my go-to brush. If I'm not using this, I'm probably dead or something like that. Who knows? I probably am. But yes, I love this brush. I use it every day for blending all over my face. If you do not have this brush, I will link it below. Other than that, I don't have anything else to say. I will be posting another video, maybe like 2 days or so, of some new products that I have gotten and things that I love. I will be posting all of this stuff below, and I am super excited about posting new videos and getting up to date with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye.